Hey everyone, welcome to another video by Optionables. My name is Saket and we have something exciting in this video for you. As you know, we have started an initiative called as Tradeathon where we conduct workshops in different cities trying to educate people about stock market and options trading. So we have already finished a workshop in Bangalore and Kochi. On 7th of June 2023, we'll be conducting our first workshop in Mumbai. In case if you have already registered to the Tradeathon workshop earlier, you don't have to worry. But in case if you want to register now, we'll be again attaching the link in the description below. So don't forget to open the form, fill it in and submit your attendance. So once you have submitted the form, what we would be doing is reviewing your form. So earlier we have already had a form where people have already filled in. We will combine both the forms, review the people, and on the select criteria, we'll be selecting people who can attend this workshop. This is an invite only workshop and people whom we select get a chance to attend the workshop. So what are the criteria based on which we'll be picking? The very first criteria is the knowledge. So this is not a basic workshop where we'll be teaching simple short straddle or short strangle or something like that. So this is more of an advanced workshop. So one thing what we would be looking for, whoever attends the workshop has a basic knowledge regarding options trading. The second one, what we would be looking for is the capital. The reason is for most of the things what we teach, it is ideal to have anywhere around 5 to 10 lakh capital at least. So anything lesser than that, this workshop won't be real use to you because most of the things what we teach cannot be done with less than 5 lakh. So the second thing what we would be looking for is definitely the capital. And finally, if we have a lot of people to select under this criteria, it would be based on luck. So we would be randomly selecting 100 people who fulfill this criteria. So once done, we'll be sending you an invite to attend the workshop. So you just have to do the RSVP. In case if you are not able to attend, we'll be giving the chance to somebody else. So the venue is yet to be decided and it will be communicated to you via mail. And the guest speakers for this workshop is none other than Aditya Todmal and Nikita Pujari. Aditya and Nikita are very good friends of mine, and together they have done really good with their trading performance over the past years. They coming to this workshop will bring in a lot of insights regarding how they trade or how they manage the kind of capital they are doing, and also what are the trading techniques, how they adjust the trades, and how they view the market. So there's going to be quite a lot of insights given by them in this workshop. So don't miss out. Quickly fill in the form, and if you have already filled in, so we'll be sending you a response soon. Thank you so much for joining. I hope all of you are excited and see you again in the next video. Thank you.